Hello and welcome to the North Park database registration guide. This is for the employees. We already have bought and purchased and installed your computer with Windows 10 and Microsoft Access 2016. Your employee is going to see this icon on their desktop, and most likely that's probably the only icon they will see. Hence, the computer is an in-house dedicated system for the front desk employee to register customers wanting to rent cabins or campsites at North Park. So what the employee is going to see is this desktop and this icon, and they're going to double click. Once they double click, there is nothing over here on the right side, but on the left they will go to customer main input menu, and from here they can view the very first entry recorded into the database and the very last entry recorded into the database, and these will just flip through the entries like pages in a book. So let's go back to the very first entry. Over here you see the packages, activity and events for the customer. Here you can do a customer lookup, so let's look up I believe Janet. Yep, Janet Smith, John Doe. So if you know the customer by their first or last name, you can find them in the lookup, quick lookup. So what we're going to do, and of course you can print the current form. This is usually going to be their receipt. Or you can delete this entry, but we're not going to do that. You do not. This is here for a safety mechanism. You shouldn't really delete anyone out of your database. In case something happens, then you can always go back into the database and say, yes, this customer with this credit card, let's say the customer had a stolen credit card or something, you can verify that, yeah, this customer here came in at these times and use this credit card to purchase these cabins and packages and so forth and so on. So you don't want to delete anything out of the database. So what we're going to do is go to add new customer. Now we're going to go to customer ID. So what we want to do is make a new customer ID, go to check customers, and you'll see the last entry is John Doe. So what we want to do is take this last entry ID, CR9636, and you want to paste it into the customer ID field, but let's change it to one number up. Customer first name will be Tam. Last name will be Tam. Oh, I don't know. Tam Smathers, I don't know. Customer address will be 123 Tam Avenue. She lives in Butler. Oops. Customer state is PA. Customer zip is 16001. Customer phone will be 654 897 0099. Credit card name will be a Visa, and her credit card number will be 12345678990. And what we want to do is save customer information. Go ahead and close customer check. Reopen check customer, and you will see the new customer Tam Smathers. So let's close. Now, this is required of the park for when they, for any customer ordering a campsite or cabin. So let's go to packages. And now what we are going to do is go to add new customer package. Now what we want to do is go to package ID. So we're going to generate a new ID. So let's go to check packages, and we will see in our check packages the last entry was P8002, so let's copy that, paste it, and make this P8003. Go ahead and close packages. Let's go to cabin ID, check cabins. And what we want to do is, since she is by herself, she's going to get the most basic cabin. The most basic cabin available is a 2-person cabin, and it includes a bicycle for transportation around the park. So what we want to do is copy and paste the cabin ID. Go ahead and close cabin packages. Now let's go to check customer. Customer ID, check customer, Tam Smathers, CR9637, copy, paste, and let's give this a package title. So let's go to check packages, and since she has a friend's cabin, the system is going to recognize it as a couple's cabin because there is not one cabin for one person. So go ahead and copy couple's cabin, but you can call the package whatever you want. Let's do 1. Let's go to, it's $50. And package description. Let's go to save customer packages. Now, all you have to do is go to packages, check packages, and you will see the new entry. And there we have it. This is Tammy Smathers. She is now in this system. Go ahead and close packages, and let's give her an activity. So what we want to do is go to check activities. Let's go to add new activity. Let's go to check activities. And Tammy wants to get a kayak. So what we're going to do is go into the K's for kayak, B for boats, F for fishing, K's for kayaking. And we want to give her a kayak. So let's go to the last entry of kayaks, copy, paste, and let's make that 1 number up. Now go ahead and close. Let's go to check customer, Tam Smathers, CR9637, and activity title is kayaking. Let's go to her package ID, which should be right here, couple's cabin, 8003. Activity description, go back to activity, and let's give her this one. Activity price. And now here's the last part of this. Let's close these reports. Go to check rental equipment. And remember, she got a kayak, so let's give her the kayak. And save customer activity. And now she should be, in the check activity. And here she is, P8003. The last entry made. So now she's in the activity system that's tied to her packages. And let's suppose she wants to register for an event. Click on events. Check customer ID, Tam Smathers. Copy. Paste. Let's go to check events, and you can say, well, today we're running the winter parade or the Easter egg hunt or the Alzheimer's walk or 5K run. Maybe she wants to do the winter parade. You know what? Maybe she wants to do the 5K run. So let's go to the 5K run. But what we can do is go to the last entry made, copy. One number up. She's doing the 5K run. Let's give her a description. Event date will be on Thursday from now at 8 in the morning, and save custom events. And then go to close these reports, check events, and you will see her, we will see her right here with our new event, CR9637. She is registered in the 5K run. So that is how you enter in a customer. And right here we can view the following reports. We can do cabins assignments, and you will see who's assigned to what package and what cabin. And we will see Tam Smathers, package ID with appropriate cabin ID. We know that C33216 is a couple's cabin, but that's what she had to get. Close. Cabins packages. These are the available cabins packages. These are the campsite locations. We only have 2 people registered for campsites. So right here you can just follow up on the available reports. If asked, check activities, who's registered for activities. Okay, we have this ID registered K78967. Well, who is that? All we have to do is go to copy, go back into your customers. Suppose it's closed, go back to customers. You can search. And it should be CR. Let's go back to check activity. Copy. Or sometimes the search can be funny. We know that K78967, that's a kayaking package. That's why we're not going to find it. What we wanted was their package ID, P8003. So all we have to do is go into packages, and we could see the check packages here. Check packages report. We're looking for 8003. Right here, see, there we go. We know that the customer is CR9637. Copy. Close. Close. Go back to customer's main input. Search. And there we go. We know that that customer to that activity is Tam Smathers. And these are pretty much self-explanatory. All their invoices. This is the price. This is Tammy's invoice that will be charged to her credit card. This will also be charged onto her credit card, $50. We don't need to worry about that, and you don't need to worry about customer schedule. So that's really about it as far as registering a customer. You can navigate records, you can run many reports, you can see who is assigned to what, you can search records, and these will stay forever inside the tables. You can always check the customers. So that's really it. Go back to cabin assignments, Tam Smathers, package ID, cabin ID. And that is all essentially that you need to register in a customer, check their reports, run reports, essentially whatever you want to keep track of the customers at North Park. And once again, you can print all of you can print any report you want. So again, let's find let's find Tammy Smathers. So we can just go to customers. We know that we can go to search Tam. So we know that she is CR9637. We can go to check customers, CR9367. So we know that she is CR9367. So look for CR9637, and there she is. There's her package ID. And this is everything that Tammy has rented. And that is it for the user training. Thanks for watching.